take all the liquids out and to make it more dry.
So what do you use for the dry one when you've made it dry?
The ng'ombe sleeps on.
It becomes mattress.
It becomes mattress.
Wow.
It's healthier for the cows.
Yeah. Some of us in Kenya we buy real mattress.
You're wasting your money.
For the cow because after they coming back from the milking,
They're tired.
not tired, but that
Exhausted.
the teats are open after they get milk. So it's better that it will be dry and not wet for the
Bacteria.
all the bacteria and everything. So it's healthier for them.
But you say the tractor comes and dries it up.
No, it just
Scoops it out.
לחרוש.
With the tractor.
איך אומרים לחרוש?
ברכה לי המילה. You know, when you work in the field with a
Cultivator.
Kind of harrowing.
Harrow,
Exactly.
yes.
Harrow.
Harrow, you open it up and it dries up.
Exactly.
They don't give out
It gets
this as
more
manure.
oxygen.
They don't give out.
You don't use this on the fields as manure fertilizer?
Yeah, we're using it. We have other places. We have over there a separator. All the manure from the milking powder goes in the separator. And,
Must be a big separator, a big one. Must be a big one. With all this cow, I can imagine that machine.
and the water goes here to these pools.
Oh, there are water.
This pool.
Yeah, we have 4 pools here. And after it stayed here for
Oh, I've seen another one there.
yeah.
Oh, those are oils.
This is our water from the parlor.
Cleaning there, the milking parlor.
Yeah, and after it stayed here around between 21 to 28 days, it goes to a bigger pool over there. We got we recycle just to clean the making. No, not the big powder. The place that the cows wait for their milking. Yeah, we have a tank.
The waiting bay.
Yeah, we have tank there, and the water from the last pool goes to the tank, and we clean the mattresses. They have mattresses. The mattress. And I know that over there goes to the fields.
Plus this one, only remove this.
We removed it. We're trying as little as we can because it's good for the cows. But when it got
Water.
not water, but when it got higher,
You reduce.
we reduce it. And
It's good for the cows?
yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah.
You remove it after how long?
After, once in 2 years.
2 weeks. 2 years.
2 years.
Oh.
2 years around. Yeah.
And when you remove, you sell. Because it's very good manure.
We don't sell it because sometimes we are paying
Remove.
to remove it. Yeah.
And he goes selling it.
Yeah, and he sold it. I said that everything is monetized because because it can be a problem, and I need to see what is going on. So if something's wrong, I got a call or a beep to my cell phone. Then I can see how the air pressure is going on and the vacuum pressure, the water temperature, how cold is the milk, how cold is the water that's cooling the milk, if the units, the cooling units are working or not, and if the generator is working, electricity is okay, everything is.
So everything comes to your phone. Your phone is now the major gadget that you use.
Yeah.
Okay. Automated system.
Hii ni gani?
David, this is Lusan. What is it?
אני רואה שואלים וזה.
זה הבוטנים.
Even groundnuts. Groundnuts.
Oh, he has a lot of protein. This one has a lot of protein.
In the
Very good.
groundnut leaves.
Wow.
But this is not the main ingredients. It's just
A portion of the ingredients.
Yeah, I find kula mingi sana. Karikagu sana. No, it has higher protein content with kula sana.
Inaokosa kwa protein.